Welcome back, everyone. Let's get to it very quickly. Get your non-stick pan, butter it, or use your vegetable oil, whichever one that works for you. Um, I like to crisp it a little, just the front and back. Yep. When all that is done, then you put your beef patty in it. I like to season it. The first one was garlic, this is pepper, and a little bit of salt. Flip your burger after a while. Then you do the same thing: garlic, salt, pepper. If you have any other seasoning that you like, you can add that too. Just a little bit of ginger. Let it cook. I like to cook, steam my onions and tomatoes a little, just a little, so that it does not slip out of the burger and do all that messy stuff. Turn off the flame and let the cheese melt with the heat. Then you can put mayonnaise in your bun, the upper bun and the lower bun. I know many people are used to putting the burger first. I like to put these tomatoes and the other things first to make sure they don't slip away from me. Then get your crispy lettuce. Add all your crispy lettuce on top. What is a burger without ketchup? So where's my ketchup? Where's my ketchup? There you go. Awesome. Simple and easy. Since I'm making this for my kids' lunch, I'm gonna throw in a few chicken nuggets to make it complete, so they feel like they went to Burger King or Wendy's or somewhere. Yep. Thank you for watching. See you back soon again. Bye bye.